Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today we got
More packs, so we're going to do the second half of the
and
box.
I bet you to do the surprise.
Okay, well here, I'm going to take all the packs out, so there should be 21 packs left. Finish off this.
Now I will show you.
Yeah, here you go.
Okay,
You can have the box.
And I'll show you, it's a surprise. A surprise. Yes.
That's your finger.
Hey.
That's gonna be
No,
hard.
you can't. It won't be able to work.
How
It's a lot
about this?
thicker.
How about we put this under and we do it faster. Let's do this fast as we can.
Oi.
Whoa! I made a
Yeah,
big.
your
Mulan, Legend of the Sorcerer's Stone, Raya,
mark your
Ray,
finger, please.
Popsicle, Beast,
Whoa!
You're gonna drop the whip.
Noi. Oh,
Okay.
Legendary to start. Another Alice.
Jade.
And Mulan.
That was a great surprise.
It is. Stop now.
It was a funny surprise.
Yes, I just don't want you to get hurt, okay?
Whoa! A good spot. And me. Hiya! We did it.
Good job.
Where did that came from?
Inside, Rapunzel, Cusco, Peter's Pan's dagger,
Whoa! I got it.
Duke
Now.
Whistleton,
Let's do
Hercules,
this again.
Pinocchio,
Let's
Queen of Hearts, the Prince,
Dead.
Lucifer, Cinderella, and Jiminy Cricket.
Whoa! Let's see if we get another piece of box.
Why
We
don't
only
you just
got
draw?
one
Why
box.
don't you draw on that? What did you call me? Gaston, Rabbit, Sneezy, Cricket, Herc, Donald Duck, Merlin, Gaston, Right again.
Tomorrow. Next
We need a
tomorrow,
poop.
And next this tomorrow.
Go the distance.
Is there such a thing as the next is tomorrow? And what day is that? Hmm?
Like that. What day is it today?
Oh, today is Thursday. Minnie Mouse.
Thursday, Friday,
Hypnotize
Saturday.
the knock.
That means the
Snow
Thursday.
White. Don't do that, please.
And then
Jafar.
dun.
Last Stand. Minnie Mouse. Lawrence. Tiana. Legendary.
Yeah.
The Beast is on fire.
Can I see
And
the beast is on fire?
Not
Yeah,
really,
right
it's
there.
just 4 dozen.
He's just Beast. He's not on fire.
You're gonna poke your eye out. You're so afraid about your eye getting hurt and you're putting it so close to your eye.
Well, we got at least a Beast. It'd be nice to pull a double Beast or something like that, but Mulan, Donald,
I could
Awesome.
still see.
Hold Still,
Okay,
Elsa,
well, because I took it
Ninja,
away, because
Tiana,
if I didn't, you
Cogsworth,
probably poked your eye
Doc,
out.
Teeth and Ambitions. Oh, another legendary.
Ooh, legendary.
Oh, this is this is Belle, right? Yeah. 72, yeah. And Jafar. Oh, we've already hit 2 legendary, right? That's pretty good. Or 3. That's 3, right?
There's gotta be something in here
Legendary.
somewhere. 3 already?
Yeah.
I've only...
Unless we don't get any. Maybe 3. I don't know, but 3 already is pretty good.
Mulan, Arthur, Basil, Rapunzel, Dr. Facilier, Donald Duck, Yzma, the Queen of Hearts, Robin Hood, Little Johnny, Grandpa Baby, and super Raya.
Those are mine.
Yes, for tomorrow, the next tomorrow, and the next is tomorrow.
What the heck?
She knows when the next is. When's the next is tomorrow?
That's
Saturday.
Yeah, see?
yeah, but you don't say the next is tomorrow. You say
Actually,
the day
I
after
think-
tomorrow.
She goes tomorrow, Friday, Saturday.
Huntsman.
It's the next is tomorrow, Sunday.
Nimari. Q's carry.
I have one more day for school.
Yeah. Tomorrow.
And then I will go
To where?
Monday. I will go to school and I will be so sad.
Why?
I leave my parents.
I'm sad when you
Sounds
leave.
like she's
You know
going to
what? You
college
don't
or
seem
something.
sad because when we
Panic.
drop you off, you just run right over there. You don't even
James.
say goodbye.
The Queen, Croquet Mallet, Peter Pan's Dagger, Hercules, Doc. They're always happy to go to school. Madame Mim, the Queen of Hearts. Queen of Hearts. Strength of the Raging Fire.
A lot of those.
Little John. And Cruella de Vil. Because what did you say?
Huh?
I said you were happy when you go to school. You're always so happy.
You don't even say goodbye to
I
us when we
know.
drop you off. You just run right inside. And it's like we don't even exist.
Because I like to.
And other kids are like,
Which is good.
yeah, that's good.
We're
I'm
very
just
proud. We're very proud that you
Yeah.
like to go to school.
very good
Because
that
you
you
like to
school.
learn? Is that it? Or do you just like to play?
I like to play.
Radigan's Marvelous Trap, World's Greatest Criminal Mind, and Peter Pan's Dagger.
And you like to learn, right? What did you learn today?
Huh?
What did you learn today?
Everything.
Everything. You know everything now?
But not mystery letters.
They don't do mystery letters this year?
Because I don't like it.
Felicia,
Did they try to do it this year?
Queen of Hearts, Duke Whistleton, Happy, Stuck, Beast, Tiana, Cogsworth, Doc, Teeth and Ambitions. Where's the other one? Mulan and Snow White. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Give me some enchanted, alright?
I'm to do that.
Alright.
Take a beast foil.
Alright. What's your favorite that you like to pull?
Okay. Lady. Gaston. Dumbo Pop.
Can you help me?
Sleepy. Let the Storm Rage On.
Yeah.
Sardine Can. Mother Gothel. The Prince.
One day I could get this.
Winnie the
guy.
Poop. Cheshire Cat. Lucifer.
Mhm. What do you call me? What did you call me? Improvise. Cruella de Vil. Piglet. Winnie the Pooh. Magic Broom. Peen. Binding Contract. Caterpillar. Cinderella. There's 3 of them. 3.
Rare, triple
Perplexing
rare.
Signpost. And Ratigan.
Okay, what have we got? 9 left. Come on, Baba. Come on, Baba.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
You know my stinky foot?
Ria,
Smells your stinky foot.
Enchantress, Popsicle, Painting the roses red, Merlin.
I don't want to smell your
Lacana,
stinky
Daisy
foot.
Duck, Launch, Fairy Godmother, Sorcerer, Spellbook, Tuck Tuck, Bucky.
What? Stinky. Lady Tremaine. Virana. Jasmine, Mulan, Chip the Teacup, Prince Naveen, Buck, Key, Bashful, Cruella, Devil, Lumiere, Strength of the Raging Fire, and Magic Broom.
I will take another strength. That's so far we got 4 out of this box, so that's good. Nice set of strength. Baloo, Ray, Nothing Hide, Eeyore, Cusco, Charge, Zero to Hero, Most Diabolical, Pick a Fight, Goof, Queen, Enchantress.
Alright. Paper cut.
Last year I got a paper cut.
Mm-hmm. Excuse me. All right, here we go. Fidget, Panic, James, the Queen, Croquet Mallet, Diana, Cheshire Cat, what? Blue Fairy, Snow White. Ooh, legendary, Merlin,
Rabbit.
70. No, the other beast.
The other beast.
And
We
Grumpy.
wanted the other beast. But we'll take that beast. We'll take it. That is 4 legendaries. I wonder if we can squeeze another one out of these 5 times.
I love a
What did you call me? Improvise. Cruella. Piglet. Weenie.
Probably somewhere
Ninja.
down there.
Ring the Bell. Hey Hey. Rapunzel. Sleepy's Flute. Hey, we did get another legendary. It's not a good one, I don't think, because that number. Yeah, that's a 3rd Alice. Ooh,
Oh,
super
super.
rare.
Mm.
Hey, King Loot. Imagine if we had 3 sad beasts. That would be great.
What does not mean?
Means no. Oh my goodness. Oh,
And
That is 5
Yes.
legendaries out of that, so.
okay. Ready? Peter's Pan. Flynn Rider, Basil, Grumpy, Merlin, Last Cannon, 4 dozen eggs, Sword in the Stone, Pacha, Gaston, Namari, come on, and I am stuck. I'm stuck. Jade is stuck.
Jade is stuck.
Stuck. A, B, C.
no,
1,
it's
2, 3.
no, it's A B C D E F G. A B C D E F G. Not H, not I, not J, not K. A B C D E F G. A B C D E F G. Not
Thank
H, not
Card
I,
suit.
not
Mouse
J,
armor.
not
Prince
K.
John, nice. Madam M.
That's my last
I'm holding
one.
it so. I'm holding it so. A teeny dog. Look, a teeny dog.
Oops, sorry.
Whoa, that
Barbie,
was cool.
Tigger, sorry, Donald Duck, Owl, Hold Still, Fairy Godmother, Magic Broom, Madame Mim, Queen of Hearts, Li Shang, the Huntsman, Yzma, and a rare Cronky. Last one, come on.
Come on. Last one, Jade.
My packs.
Okay, last one, peeps. Mulan, Arthur, Basil, Rapunzel, Dr. Facilier, Cinderella,
careful.
Nana. You Can
The light
Fly,
is there.
Eli. Starting with a super. There's a chance for another legendary here, folks. It's not, though. Okay, Cogsworth's a good one. Just a common.
Let's
Alright, so recap
but
that
not
box. We did
least,
get 5 legendaries.
we say bye.
We got it.
And
So,
we have to review.
nice staples, Cogsworth, Prince John, Rabbit, Cinderella, another 2 strengths. The other half had 2 strengths. We got 2 Alices here, a Belle, Beast Relentless, and a Beast Tragic. All right, that'll do it for us. So in total, actually, because I got all the other pulls, right?
Yeah.
It's 9 legendaries. So that's not bad. That's pretty good. Too bad we had 3 Alices and just 1 Tragic here. But anyways, all right, Jade, you gonna say goodbye?
Goodbye.
See you next time.
See you next time.